Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today I want to talk about a very simple question involving indices. I hope you're doing well wherever you are. Remember to subscribe, like, share. Don't forget to leave a comment. So I have a very simple question here. We are being told to find the value of x given that 49 raised to x plus 1 plus 7 raised to power 2x is equals to 350. So this is an indices question, and the solution part of it, let us see if we are going to do it. The first thing that I'll do very fast, I'll rewrite this 49 to be the same base as 72. I know that 49 I can write it as 7 raised to power 2 or 7 squared. So replacing this in my equation here, I'm going to have 7 raised to power 2 in bracket x plus 1 plus 7 raised to power 2x is equals to 350. So that is the first step that I'm going to take. The second step, I'll open the bracket here using this power 2. So I'm going to have 7 raised to power 2x plus 7 raised to power 2 or plus 2 plus 7 raised to power 2x is equals to 350. Next, I'm going to recall if I have an index number multiplied by another index number with different powers but the same base, then the law is saying I'll just add the powers. Well, so that is what I want to apply here. The powers are being added. Like mine, the powers are being added here. So by separation, I'm going to write 7 raised to power 2x plus 2 so that the powers are multiplied. So that means I'm going to write 7 raised to power 2x multiplied by 7 raised to power 2 plus 7 raised to power 2x is equals to 350. Well, I know this is 7 raised to power 2x. I also have another 7 raised to power 2x here. But this number, I know what it means. 7 raised to power 2. I know it means that the number is 49. So rewriting the equation, I am going to take 49 multiplied by 7 raised to power 2 x like that plus 7 raised to power 2x should give me 350. So well, we are good to go. I've tried applying that law and it has worked. So the next approach, if you have 49 7 raised to power 2x plus 7 raised to power 2x, then it means I can simplify it by saying let this 7 raised to power 2x be any letter. I can call it t. So when I replace here, I'm going to have 49t plus t is equals to 350. So I can add the like terms. That means I'll have 50t is equals to 350 So that means I'll be able to get t by dividing by 50, and my t now becomes 5 here 1, 5 here 7. Well, I've managed to get t as 7. Remember to stay tuned, guys. Subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Remember, my target, our milestone is to have 1000k subscribers, or 1k subscribers. Leave a comment. So next step, I know that t is 7, but also my t is 7 raised to power 2x. I'll come and replace 7 raised to power 2x is equals to t, but my t is 7. According to the law of indices, again, the bases are the same, so I can cancel the bases. Or before I cancel, I know 7 can be written as 7 raised to power 1. So if I cancel the bases, I'll have 2 raised to x is equals to 1. I've equated the powers and cancelled the bases. Divide by 2, divide by 2, and my final answer now is x is equals to a half as my solution for my problem here. The problem was 49 raised to power x plus 1 plus 7 raised to power 2x is equals to 350. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed. Leave a comment, ask any question, but all in all, remember to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button so we connect again next time. Thank you.